So today we've gathered here for this workshop, which the topic is the future of mobility.
Yeah, I'm Engineer Ojowuro Olasukomi. I'm the Director of Transport Operations, Ministry of Transportation, and Lagos State. In those days, there were no laptops to say available to some of us in the university.
So it's good. It's a good idea or innovation to start at this early stage to teach them about technology, because the world we are now is a computer age.
It moves front, it moves back, it moves sideways. My name is Wani Goodluck. The name of my project is titled A Bluetooth Car. I want to become a software engineer so that I can make a driverless car like this one. And I would also like to teach my younger ones so that they will be more perfect than me.
So impressed. They are doing so well. Even from what we did today, they were responding, very active and intelligent kids at that.
So we're exposing them to the technology, exposing them to the tools they need, exposing them to what's basically giving them all the tools and information they need to go to ideate, to conceptualize and build projects on their own.
We wish that other stakeholders in that sector will emulate that giant step that inDrive has taken.